Hello everyone, welcome to another learning time with Miss Blessing. Today's video we are going to be learning about the components of a circuit and how to make a simple series circuit. We are also going to look at the functions of these various components. Come along, let's learn together. Electrical devices are made of components which make them work. Example, we have the buzzer, motor, the switch, the wire, a cell, a lamp and a lamp holder, and as well as the battery. Now all these are electrical components which we can put together to make them work. Now on their own they may not be performing any useful function, but when brought together they make something work. Now let's find out more about each of these components. Electrical components are joined together to make a complete circuit. Now in a complete circuit, this is a complete circuit here. There is no gap in between, as you can see. In a complete circuit, all the components are connected in a complete closed loop. An electrical current flows around them. Here you can see the current flowing around them. Why? Because they are all connected together. This type of circuit is called a series circuit, which means it has a single path for the electric current to flow through. Here is a cell. A cell is a store of chemical energy that can be converted into electrical energy. Cells provide electrical power. Without the cell, the light cannot turn on because the cell is what provides the electrical power. But without the wires, the light can also not turn on. The bulb cannot turn on because they all need to be connected in a complete loop. There must be no gap in any of the parts. When all these are joined together, you would see that the bulb would light up. Two or more cells working together are called a battery. When we have one, it's called a cell, but when we have two or more, we call that a battery. Here is a wire. A wire is made up of metal, which is usually copper coated up in plastic. Wires connect the various components, allowing electricity current to flow around the circuit. So the wire helps us connect all the electrical components together, and through the wire, the electric current can flow to all the parts of the components. Here is our lamp and a lamp holder. A lamp consists of a bulb and a holder. This is our bulb, this is the holder of the bulb. Lamp gives off light when part of a complete circuit. A buzzer is a case containing a vibrating plate. It makes sounds when part of a complete circuit. Here is a circuit. When these are all fixed together with no gaps, as you can see here, the buzzer gives off sound. If the gap is there, it's not going to give up any sound because it's not a complete loop, it's not a complete circuit. So all the gaps must be fixed together for it to give off sound. And here is a motor. A motor is another electrical component that could actually make lovely fan sound and actually rotate when part of a complete loop. A motor consists of magnets and a spinning coil. Motors create movements when part of a complete circuit. Here is a switch. It makes or breaks the circuit. When the switch is turned on, the light comes on. but when it is turned off, the light goes off. So when the switch is part of the loop, part of the circuit, it either allows electricity to flow or stops it from flowing. It allows it to flow when turned on and does not allow it to flow when turned off. Switches make a complete circuit when they are switched on, but when switched off, the electrical current is broken and will no longer flow. Electric current will not flow if there is a gap in the circuit like we have here. Besides switches, loose wire connections or broken components can create gaps. Circuits with gaps are called, can you take a guess? Are called incomplete circuits. So when there is a gap in the circuit anywhere, it could be here, it could be here, it could be here. Whenever there is a gap, it's an incomplete circuit because it needs to be complete. All the gaps need to be joined together for current to flow. As we have seen, there are many electrical components with different functions. Can you remember the names and functions of these components? Pause the video and have a go. Welcome back. I hope you remember that this is the buzzer, the cell, the motor, the switch, the wire, the battery, and a lamp holder. Well done if you did. Good job. Now, for us to make a complete circuit, all we need are these components we just learned about. You need the cell, you need the wire, you need the switch, you need the lamp holder or your buzzer or the motor. When these are fixed together, you're gonna see your lights will work perfectly. The light would come on, or the buzzer will make a sound, or the motor will move around like a fan. I hope you understood today's lesson and you are very confident with it. This is me saying bye for now. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more videos. Bye everyone.